This is a Takoda. We're going to show you what happens when he's very excited to get up in the morning. He wants to come out of the crate. If I allow him to come out quickly, he's very excited, wants to jump, run around, grab things, dances around. He's better than he used to be. He used to really be a bit crazy. Right. Good. Go to bed. Go to bed. I want to show you the power of practicing weight. This is what we've been working on with him. Zion's going to help demonstrate too. So I am going to use some treats, but you don't really have to. This is just a little extra motivation. Really what it comes down to is waiting for the calm behavior. So if he starts dancing around and being excited, even at this point, I would just relatch the gate. But he's being pretty good. Wait. So I opened the door and asked him to wait there. Good boy. So if he starts to come out, I'm just going to shut him back in. Wait. Okay. I'm going to slowly bring him out. So I'll show him I have a treat. Okay. I don't want to give a big okay and get him all excited, because then we're just going to be in the same boat again. Like again, we can say, Again, we can see wait at each stage. So the moment he starts getting too excited, we kind of stop things again and back up. Just go a little slower. Boys. Okay, come. So we've gone out a few feet. We stop and sit again. Boy. So I don't proceed with the next step until he's quiet. The next step is to get our collar on. Wait. Good boy. Okay, now let's go outside. We're going to do it again at the door. So as soon as he starts getting excited, we'll stop and we'll sit. And we'll wait until things are calmer. Good boy. Wait. Okay. Good boys. All right, here we go outside. Let's go. And practice this every morning. Takes time.